Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I will show you how you're gonna make the Surface Pen work. As you see, when you press on the button, it's working, but it's not drawing, it's not sensitive, or it's not responsive. Okay, let's go ahead and look at it. As you see, it is working, but it's not drawing. Let me go ahead and look at it. By the way, when you put the pen near the screen, it's not gonna work. And then let's try it again, but let me choose one page and then try to draw it, but it's not working. As you see, first of all, you need to download the diagnostic tool, Surface Diagnostic Toolkit. Go ahead and download it from the Windows Store, and then go ahead and install it. After that, it's gonna do the diagnostic tool. It's gonna do the diagnostic on the computer. Let's check it out and continue. We're just gonna wait a little bit, and it's just gonna do the checking, like if there is something wrong, it's gonna fix it, and then right after that it's gonna determine the Surface Pen, and then it is gonna work, and you're gonna save $100. I think it's $100. Sorry about the video, because I'm not able to record it at the same time trying to show you how you're gonna fix the pen, because this is gonna save, you're gonna save $100 after the video, and you're gonna thank for me. Okay, let's do the test. It's very fun, right? As you see, go ahead and continue doing that. Pass all the tests. What is it saying? Testing touch 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not touch it. And then display settings is just from 0 to 100. And then continue. And now testing the sound. Basically, we don't need that sound test, but you need to see it step by step. And then I think that's it. Let's close everything and then restart. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work or not. I know it's like magic, because at the end, if it's not working, you need to get a new Surface Pen. I think it's gonna be $100 or $110. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, that's working. The button is working. Let's see if it's gonna draw or not. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. You don't need to pay $100 for the pen. If you want, you can send some money to me. Yeah, I can accept it. There is a button at the top for PayPal. You can just donate me. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.